Now, why do we call software logical mistakes bugs? What is the reason? So from my research in this, my understanding is that the word bug was used before computers came along. It was used in various fields of engineering. And one proof of this comes from notes written by Thomas Edison, where he uses the word bug intended as hidden problem. Possibly the reason for using the word bug for hidden problems was because of the familiarity that people have had with bedbugs for a long time, and still they have. Bugs are known to be hard to find and cause issues such as bites and discomfort. And like bedbugs, logical mistakes also are known to be hard to find and cause issues. So that is possibly the reason why the word bug was used in this way. Now, when computers started coming along, the word started being used by the people working in the field. And perhaps an event which catalyzed the usage of the word bug in the field of computer science was the discovery of an actual bug, which is any kind of insect. So an insect was found, in this case a moth, in a computer at Harvard University called Mark II. And this discovery was made by Grace Hopper and their team. Grace Hopper was a computer science and mathematician working for the Navy, writing programs to run on this computer to run calculations for the Navy. And the finding of this moth was recorded in one of the lab logbooks, and the moth was taped on the logbook with the sentence, "First actual case of bug being found." Now, if you are interested, you can find this artifact at this museum. Eventually, bugs became spoken of mostly in the context of software, and less so in other fields of engineering.